Can you guess these rare jungle animals? This lizard glides using its ribs. Draco lizard. This bird's chick smells like cow dung. Hoatzin. Smallest bear with bright orange chest patch. Sun bear. This jungle cat has the longest teeth. Clouded leopard. This animal smells exactly like popcorn. Binturong. Rare striped jungle antelope rarely ever seen. Bongo. Tiny frog with poison to kill 10 men. Golden poison dart frog. This bird looks like a broken tree stump. Padu. This eagle is powerful enough to carry monkeys. Harpy eagle. This spider is large enough to eat birds. Goliath bird-eater. This deer has long vampire-like fangs. Water deer. Tiniest chameleon fits on a matchstick. Brachysia micra. This slow-moving jungle mammal sleeps upside down. Sloth. This gecko looks exactly like a dead leaf. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Only venomous primate in the entire world. Slow loris. Bright-colored monkey with red and blue face. Mandrill. Looks like a pig, anteater, and rhino combined. Tapir. This insect is completely invisible on a stick. Stick insect. This jungle cat climbs trees headfirst. Margay. Largest bird of the entire Americas. Rhea. Got a perfect score? Brag about it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for your next quiz adventure.